Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to deal with Bluetooth not working on Windows 10 with simple and easy to follow steps. So without wasting any more time, let's get right to it. Before going any further, check your system specifications to ensure that the device supports Bluetooth. To do this, simply go to your browser, go to the manufacturer's website and enter your model. Hit the Windows key and I on your keyboard, go to devices and ensure that Bluetooth is turned on. People often make the mistake of assuming that Bluetooth is on by default. Click the Wi-Fi icon and ensure that airplane mode is turned off. This can often interfere with Bluetooth connections. Right-click the Windows icon, then select Device Manager. See my Bluetooth device here. If yours doesn't show up, right-click System and select Scan for hardware changes. This should show up now. If you get a device named Unknown instead, you'll need to install Bluetooth drivers. Open your browser and type Intel Bluetooth drivers. Open this up. Scroll down and download the latest driver for Windows 10. In your downloads folder, double-click the application to open it. Follow the instructions on screen to install. Restart your system once installation is complete. Right-click the Windows icon, then select Settings. Select Update and Security, then click Troubleshooter. Then click Additional Troubleshooters. Select Bluetooth, then run the troubleshooter. The troubleshooter will detect any issues with your Bluetooth and in some cases even fix them automatically. Click the Windows icon, then type Services. Scroll down till you find any Bluetooth related services. Right click, select Properties. If it's not running, ensure that you click Start here and ensure that startup type is set to automatic. Hit Apply, then hit OK. Repeat this step for all Bluetooth related services. Performing a hard reset can often help with Bluetooth connection issues. Follow the steps on the screen to do this. If you follow the steps in this video and your Bluetooth is still not working, you should consider getting a pluggable Bluetooth adapter. With this device, your system will be able to use Bluetooth normally. And that brings us to the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.